packing. I have been procrastinating packing because I don't want to pack, but I have to because tomorrow I leave to go to Sydney, and from Sydney the following day I leave to go somewhere for Christmas. That was a bug. Yay! So which means you could be like, oh, Peggy, why don't you just pack, you know, tomorrow when you go up to Sydney. I am working all day tomorrow. So today's Tuesday, tomorrow's Wednesday, and I leave Thursday. I am working all day, and then have decided to drive up after work so I don't have to think about my responsibilities, which means I have to pack now and hope that I have everything for when I go and pack. I'm not excited. I hate packing because it's such a responsibility, and I just have to think of what I need to bring, which I don't know what to bring. And as we can see from like what's behind me, my father has requested I bring toilet paper. Yes, let's not question that. Let's not question that at all. So upon packing, we are going to need two main important things. Water or some sort of liquid to keep you going. Water for me because I have a headache. I might make myself some tea later on or have some BCAAs. My bottle is cold but my water is hot. How does that work, science? And then, of course, your snacks. I have activated maple pecans right here from my local health food shop, Pear Tree Whole Foods. Shout out to those lovely girls. Honestly, amazing. It's what we need. Then, clothes, shoes, toiletries, and whatever else. For shoes we need, no, not for shoes. For clothes we need summery stuff because we're going to Vanuatu, and Vanuatu is currently really hot and tropical because it's summer.
So I'm distracted.
Which means swimmers, shorts, potentially skirts, I don't know what I have. Flowy, relaxing pants for the night so you don't get bitten by mosquitoes, and underwear. I think that's it. Oh, sorry, and tops and dresses. Forgot about those. Shoes, anything to wear on the beach, you know, flip-flops and stuff like that, and like sneakers to walk around in, potentially some nice shoes for like Christmas, dinner, or whatever. What's that jawline? What jawline? I don't have one. Why would I say that? And for toiletries, I'll go through it later. I'm just gonna grab everything that I think I need and just dump it on my suitcase, and then we'll go from there because I don't know. And music. We need music to do this because if you don't have a good jamming playlist, that's just boring. As simple as that, it's just boring. Yeah, I don't know what I'm packing. Okay, first thing to do is to grab a basket and put everything that you think you need or would like to have in your suitcase and bring it next to your suitcase to help you pack. So, here's my basket filled with clothes. Yeah. Oh god, I don't want to do this. First of all, normally I like layering my shoes on the bottom. But considering I have a whole bunch of random stuff that I need to bring for my family, It's another story. What I need to add to my luggage is these air conditioning things for my pa and the 18 rolls of 4-ply toilet paper that I bought for him. Yes, so I'm currently on Pinterest and I'm looking at how suitcase packing. Looking at how they pack things for a suitcase. Like I have my way, but it's really weird when you have like random shit like this to put in. I want to know if they do shoes first or shoes last. I want to know. Because I always put shoes first. Maybe I should sort out my clothes first and then do this. I don't know, when I pack, I always pack too much. I don't understand. How do people do this? Plan of attack. Things that I want to bring. Now remember, I'm going for like 7 days. Am I 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27? 8 days. So, I need roughly 10 outfits, I'm gonna say. 10 pairs of clothes. Just have that added extra in case something gets wet or whatever. I plan on doing at-home exercises, so of course I need activewear, I need swimmers, I need stuff to walk around with, and then that Christmas outfit for Christmas. That shouldn't be too hard. Because with the workout gear, I can use a swim top at the top, and then like, of course, activewear shorts on the bottom. Shoes wise, I'll just do this. Everything that I think I need will go in here. That'll just eliminate whatever. Cue my music. My nail just broke. My nails are so destroyed and fragile, and I don't understand why. Finally, I could hope for a better day. Chunky. I just don't know how to pack toilet paper. Now when it comes to packing, always roll your clothes. For toiletries, bring an exfoliating brush. Maybe tempting. I will bring tweezers because your girl needs to tweeze her eyebrows now and then. Of course a razor, because we need a shave. Then I bring the Bondi Sands. This is the Everyday Gradual Tanning Mix. Milk, sorry, not mix, milk, because I get dry skin and it helps tan me up a little bit more. Of course, aloe vera after sun spray because I get sunburnt very easily. Yes. Then also bug spray from Omade. So we get the bug spray from Omade, it's the Essential Bug Blitz, and it's just an organic bug spray. Then for my skincare, I will use rosehip oil from Toby and Rosie at night on my skin, paired with their moringa oil as well, tamanu oil from Mugu. So these 3 oils go on my skin at night just to help with repairing and my acne and just keeping it very, very hydrated. The day, I will use Endodespa Organic Hydrating Face Moisturizer, which I need to get more of because that's pretty low. Both morning and night, I will use Ommade's Organic Chamomile, what is that? Chamomile Toner and Hydrating Spritzer, just to help hydrate my skin because it can get quite dry, and this is especially really good if you're traveling because you're going through both hot and cold climates when you go inside and outside, and also the altitude of the plane can affect your hydration levels, so this is very, very, very handy when you travel. And then this guy's empty, but my Cleandetec for my acne if it gets bad, just to help kill bacteria. And then the Ommade's hemp seed oil for when I shave my vaginal area, just to help my ingrown hairs. This actually works a charm. I started using it and it really helps calm the ingrown hairs if you get any. So have this guy, which is just a calendula and just a calendula soothing balm for any dry skin or open wounds. Great for acne if you have it. Then in this little box I have right here, this is all Toby and Rosie. These are their bars. So this is a conditioner bar. This is their conditioner bar. This is their shampoo bar. And this is their facial cleansing bar. They come in big blocks, but I just cut it up just so I can have more use out of it, and it lasts a lot longer if you cut it up as well. Then, so I have like a really big skincare routine all the time. And then next is just a roll-on deodorant from Onmade. I'm giving that a new try. I haven't tried it before. And obviously I'll grab like toothpaste and a toothbrush. And then for my also face, I'll have like my facial cleansing brush, which I bring with me as well. And I guess to kind of like sum it up, what goes in my travel luggage bag will be is always my laptop, my camera and my camera gear, a book to read, water, some of the goodies here, phone, chargers, glasses, snacks, anything that is like more like important to me that I don't lose goes into my travel bag. So my carry-on luggage and my passport, of course, and all that kind of money, etc, etc. And I also have to put my tripod in my suitcase. I don't know if I'm gonna fit fucking everything in this. Like, this better be less than what I hope it's supposed to be. Thanks for watching this disastrous sort of video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. And follow my social medias. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. I'm so sad.